Hello YouTube, welcome to the first video of a new series focused on seating arrangement questions. In each video, I will explain the questions and solutions step by step so you can master this topic and improve your performance in various competitive exams. So let's start our first question. The question says that there are 8 persons denoted as A, B, C, D up to H, and they are seated on a circular table and they are facing towards the center of the circle. So first of all, draw the circle and some lines to properly identify who is sitting to opposite to which person. And first of all, see the first clue which says that E is sitting opposite to A. Since this is a circular table, so you can sit any one person to any position. So I suppose I'm letting the person A sitting at this position. So after sitting the person A here, we can allot this position to the E person. Let the person E seated here. Now the second clue says that C sits second to the right of E. So right of E is here and C would be seated at this position because this is the second position in the right direction of E. Afterwards, the left of E is this side and this side, at the position 3, the D person can be seated as the last clue says. So D can be fixed here. The third clue says that B does not sit adjacent to A or E. The adjacent of A is this position and this position, and the adjacent of E is this and this positions. So as per the third clue, B cannot occupy these 4 positions. After these positions, the only position left which can be occupied is this one. So B is definitely sitting here. So write the B here. Now the fourth clue says that D and F is sitting opposite to each other. So opposite of D is this position. So let the F person seated here. Afterwards, H is not a neighbor of A. Since only 2 positions left now and H cannot be the neighbor of A, which is this one. So H will be seated here. And the only person left is now the person G. So G will occupy the last unoccupied space. Now we can address the questions now. Opposite of C is the B. So B is its right answer. And opposite of G is the person H. So its answer is H. And the immediate neighbors of A are D and G. So its answer is D and G. Fourth question is who sits third to the left of D? So left of D is this side. So first position is this A, second is G and third is C. So its answer would be C. Last question says that if D and B, A and G and F and D exchange their places, who will be the immediate neighbors of B? Let's do the exchanges now. D and B changes places. A and G and F and D. So after the new positions, the neighbors of B are D and G. So its correct answer is D and G. So this was all about in this question. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified of new videos on new seating arrangement practice questions.